In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the emergency alerts on an Android phone. Now, after Friday's recent emergency alerts that were sent out, there was a lot of people complaining, saying they got a fright and they wanted to know how to turn off the emergency alerts. But there's also been a lot of people saying they didn't receive any alert, so they want to know how to turn on the emergency alert. So this is how we do it. Go into your phone settings, scroll down to security, scroll all the way down to the bottom, look for emergency alert settings. As you can see, mine are both turned on. Toggle to green. Just make sure you toggle both of yours on, and yours will go either green or blue depending on your Android device. But that's how we turn on the emergency alert settings on an Android phone.